This is Joshua Sutar, 2406, tutorial 3. So after you've opened up a server in Node, so in demo code, you type node server.js, and then go to localhost to test it. Alright, and then same as before with the box, then you can move these things now at like you don't have to just grab it from like the front, you can grab it from like anywhere you want. And you can request something and it'll go down below. If it's invalid, so like XXX, it'll go not found and say the name, and then it'll come down there. So if we didn't know it, it's like brown egg grow, and it'll go the regular submit. The words will kind of scramble across the screen, and it'll come down there, and it'll say found, and I'll just reset it here. Alright, and then it'll do the same thing with fetch as well. Alright, so stick them here. There's the two buttons. Oops. And then you have all of the added event listeners for the fetch and the regular ones. And then this was for the random word location. So it goes through the words array and it'll change the values. And then for letting you click the words, like not just near the front, all I did was change the X, so the width. And that was through getting the context, so the dimensions of the 2D screen, and measuring the word's width. So just texting if the cursor is less than the width. Alright, and then for the other parts, I'll start with the easier one. Well, not the easier one, but the first one, the handle submit button. So to kind of like parse the words, first I would clear the words on the screen, and then I would go through it, response object set length, and basically what this does is it takes the separate lines, and then through having those separate lines, I'm gonna push each word of each line towards with a default value of X and Y at 0, and of course I'm gonna change it to found. And then I'm gonna update the word location of all of the recently added words, and this is just the given by the server, so it'll be not found XXX. And I'm actually gonna move quickly this to the front, so it'll take off, it'll clear the screen of all the words, which you can kind of see here. So now, if I do that, then it'll just take off all the words.